Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. This one works really nice for Neigong or Qigong as well. And this is, and don't get ahead of me, please. Oh, by the way, speaking of getting ahead of me, please stay to the end of the video and you'll hear my beseechments for tips and comments and shares and likes and subscriptions and all that kind of stuff. So please watch that. It's called today's Tàijíquán Tip for a reason, because tips are important. So the idea here is to practice your form, your warm-up, whatever you like, with whilst making organ sounds. But the interesting thing here for me is that I'd like you to do it intuitively. So I don't want you to reference in your mind what you might have learned about the organ sounds in Taoist Qigong. And I don't want you to reference in your head which organs are the applicable organs to a particular movement in the Tàijíquán. Rather, I'd like you to feel as you go through your form that, hey, the sun is on my kidneys right here, or, wow, I'm kind of stretching out the area of my liver here, or I'm compressing the spleen here, or I need to pee and I'm really feeling my bladder, or for some reason I can't quite put my finger on, I'm now thinking of my lungs, right? Maybe intuitively. And then see if you can let the inner express itself through your voice box. And maybe it's loud, maybe it's soft, maybe it's repetitive, maybe it's not words, maybe it's word adjacent, word like, maybe it's humming, I don't know. But the idea is to kind of intuitively, without accessing your memories or maybe your prefrontal cortex, without thinking about it, just sort of feel and express. And I'm not making the sounds here because I don't want you to feel like, oh, that's what I'm supposed to do. That's what I'm copying. What you do, if you do it appropriately and sincerely, is going to be rightest for you. So thank you very much. All love.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.